Si mde okay toujours mda pas bi kon figi tout moun ki nan ville la cause mde okay so gen entri nan ville la nap kon ça. That's how small okay is. So trust me. Les Anglais pas okay, Ake pas okay. Ake moun ki ta pris mon pile. Ou papa m'se moun Ake, but Ake pas okay. Je dis à jeudi encore non, je vendredi. Yeah, people feel offended. Mon prend ça personnel l'audio au site. Encore, oh my God, I'm so comparing. Why is it not okay? Oh my God, it's okay. Yeah, hydraulique représente mon hydraulique moi levé hydraulique. No, baby, okay is okay. Stop playing. No, like, mba konne kouman vi lokal la e kounya, but epok mwen tap vive okay même, and Timon ki leve ansama avem nan vil la, crème de la ville de Kay Abdou sa. Ville la piti, nou tout kon moun, depi kon etwi lan ville la nap konne, kounya alba konsa anko, of course. Yo gaspille ti ville, no, but... Dexia okay, dead ass. But I'm so tande yo tout, parce que okay c'est en dehors. I mean, Haïti vraiment, qui côté qui la ville pour Haïti, pas au moins. Tout côté sorti à l'entour, y a tout c'est en dehors, sorti m'baké, I'm so tande yo. M'bab bay la ville pour en dehors. M'bab bay la ville pour en dehors. But mba ka pale pou Port-au-Prince, mba moun Port-au-Prince, mba konan Port-au-Prince. So, mba ka pale pou Port-au-Prince. Yeah, okay is so small, like... Mda me kon ki go se okay vraiment. I have to Google that. Parce okay vraiment vite. Okay pa ande yo pou ou, ma pale pou mwen chéri. Li ka do pa ande yo pou ou, li ande yo pou mwen. When I get my necklace, this one is from Modella. Mwen tag you on last photo na so IG, okay? If you guys wanna support them, they're a small Haitian black-owned business, okay? So cute. Depuis l'album Samba, je mettais l'encoum. And when I get Delot Shen, they were both thrifted. I get most of my jewelry pieces from the thrift store. I say it all the time. Chen mwen yo lan pepe m'achete yo. Pi fo chen mwen yo m'achete yo. La pi fo bijou mwen m'achete yo nan pepe. Parce wap jen bon lo, bon bagay ki wap nou ak pa fe kou bagay. Okay? And this was only, I think she only sells this for like $30 or $40. That's mad cheap. And it's good. Like I said, they let me get a little bit of kule. Sergio, yes, both. Ki kote pepe sa e? Ge pepe tout kote. Like, I don't know, chaque zone ou ete yon gen different pepe. Gen, eva sen right, ge pepe isi tout. Ge pepe tout kote. I love pepe. Pepe is life, okay? Where did I get my glasses? They're prescription. They're not regular glasses. M'pot lunettes depuis longtemps. M'de perdu lunettes, moi. Lunettes. Je m'en fais surette. M'de perdu lunettes, moi, depuis longtemps. Finally, m'oblige à remplacer à cause que m'fait un peu le temps sur le computer. Et j'aime pas bon. Ou pa kon pepe ki vend chen, ou pa cherche pepe ki vend chen. That's it. La nan pepe, gen moun kal nan pepe al achete rad, gen moun kal nan pepe achete soulier, gen moun kal nan pepe achete kaban, chaise, gen moun kal nan pepe achete bijou. I go to so many different toy stores. I can't even begin to tell you. There's American. There's Goodwill. Those toy store doesn't really sell good jewelry, so you have to find like the family-owned toy stores. They're mostly the one that sells good jewelry. And Google it. Google is your best friend. Google it. Toy store that sells jewelry near me. I guarantee you, at least two gonna pop.